Assalamualaikum students. Illustration number 3. Enter the following transaction in simple cash book of Kamal Traders. 2018 August 1. First, cash in hand rupees 37,400. Fourth, cash received from Sakshi rupees 25,000. 5. Cash purchases rupees 25,000 at 12% trade discount. Next, 8. Invested in shares rupees 25,000. 10. Paid for sundry expenses rupees 3,000. 12. Paid for life insurance premium rupees 8,000. 16. Received dividend rupees 2,000. 20. Paid telephone bill rupees 6,000. 22. Received interest rupees 1,000. 25. Cash sales rupees 25,000 at 20% trade discount. Next, 28. Paid electricity bill rupees 4,500. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to prepare a simple cash book where we can post it these types of transaction either on receipt side or payment side. Okay, so see the solution in the book of Kamal Traders. It's in heading simple cash book on debit side and credit side. Debit side called receipt side and credit side called payment side. Okay, so first 2018 August 1, cash in hand. Okay, so it's an opening balance, right? Opening balance means it's a last month's closing balance, so current month's opening balance. So we write on debit side or receipt side date 2018 August 1, to balance brought down 37,400. Okay, we write to balance brought down 37,400. Next, August 4, cash received from Sakshi rupees 25,000. What will be the journal entry? Cash account debit to Sakshi account. Same on debit side we write in date column 4 to Sakshi account, amount 25,000, and narration being cash received. Next, 5. Cash purchase rupees 25,000 at 12% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. अब हमने क्या किया, 25,000 का कैश परचेज किए जिसके ऊपर हमें 12% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट मिला. सो 25,000 का 12% कितना होता है? 3,000. ओके, सो हाउ मच अमाउंट वी पेड? So 25,000 minus 3,000. So we have paid only 22,000. Okay, what will be the general entry? Purchase account debit to cash account means purchase ने cash को debit किया, so cash purchase को क्या करना है? Credit करेगा, right? Because it's an payment. So payment side first we write date 2018 August 5 by purchase account and amount column 22,000. Narration being cash purchased. Clear? Being cash purchased. Next, August 8, invested in shares rupees 25,000. Again it's an investment, right? So what will be the entry? Investment in shares account debit to cash account. Okay, so it's in payment, so we write on payment side date 8 by investment in shares account, amount 25,000. Narration being cash invested in shares, otherwise we write being shares purchase. Both are right. Okay, next, August 10, paid for sundry expenses rupees 3,000. What will be entry like? Entry will be like sundry expenses account debit to cash account means sundry expenses ने कैश को क्या किया? डेबिट किए. सो कैश इनको क्या करेंगे? क्रेडिट करेंगे, मीन्स हम पेमेंट कर रहे हैं. सो ऑन पेमेंट साइड डेट कॉलम 10 बाय सन्ड्री एक्सपेंसेस अकाउंट एंड अमाउंट कॉलम 3,000. Narration: being sundry expenses paid. Being sundry expenses paid. Next 12, paid life insurance premium rupees 8,000. What will be the entry? Life insurance premium account debit to cash account. Okay, so it's in payment. So on payment side we write 12. Okay, by drawing account amount 8,000. Why it's called a drawing? So this life insurance premium we paid for our personal self, our personal use, and those expenses and those income we withdraw for personal use or spend for personal use called drawing. So by drawing account, amount column 8,000. Narration: being life insurance premium paid. Being life insurance premium paid. Okay. Next August 16, received dividend rupees 2,000. Entry will be like cash account debit to dividend account. It's in receipt. So on receipt side in date column August 16 to dividend account amount 2,000. Narration: being dividend received. Being dividend received. Next August 20, paid telephone bill rupees 6,000. Enter will be like telephone bill account debit to cash account. It's in payment. So on payment side we write on date column 20, by telephone bill account amount column 6,000. Narration: being telephone bill paid. Okay, being telephone bill paid. Next August 22, received interest rupees 1,000. Enter will be like cash account debit to interest account. Okay, so यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट मिला है, इट्स आर रिसिप्ट. ऑन रिसिप्ट साइड डेट 22 टू इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट अमाउंट कॉलम 1,000. नरेशन: बीइंग इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड. बीइंग इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट August 25, कैश सेल्स रुपीज़ 25,000 एट 20% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. हमने कैश सेल्स के 25,000 का जिस पे हमें 20% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट देना पड़ा. सो 25,000 और 20% कितना होगा? सो 25,000 इंटू 20% दैट इज 20,000. सॉरी 25,000 और 20% कितना होता है? 5,000. ओके, सो हाउ मच अमाउंट वी रिसीव्ड? सो 25,000 minus 5,000, so we received only 20,000 as 5% we are giving to a trade discount. Okay, so it will be like cash account debit to sales account, means हमने सेल किए, सामान गया तो हमें कैश मिला. So on receipt side we write on date column 25 to sales account amount column 20,000. being cash sales. Being cash sales. And last August 28, paid electricity bill rupees 4,500. अभी हमने क्या किया? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल पे किए 4,500 रुपीज़. सो एंट्री विल बी लाइक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट. इट्स इन पेमेंट. सो वी राइट ऑन पेमेंट साइड डेट 28 बाय इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल अकाउंट अमाउंट 4,500. Narration: being electricity bill paid. Being electricity bill paid. Okay, now we do a total. So receipt side total is higher than the payment side total, and the receipt side total is 85,400. These total we write on both side: 85,400, 85,400. Out of debit side total we deduct all the credit sides total. So the amount left is 16,900. Means what? 85,000 में से हमने क्रेडिट साइड की सारे टोटल माइनस किए. सो हमारे पास लास्ट में कितना अमाउंट बचा? 16,900. सो वी राइट ऑन डेट साइड 31st August बाय बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन 16,900. दिस क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ट्रांसफर टू नेक्स्ट ईयर्स ओपनिंग बैलेंस September 1 टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन 16,900. क्लियर है किस तरह हम क्लोजिंग बैलेंस को मीन्स करंट मंथ के क्लोजिंग बैलेंस को नेक्स्ट मंथ का ओपनिंग बैलेंस कंसिडर करते हैं. ओके, so inshallah from next lecture we are going to start our double column cash book. Clear students? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.